Question tags explained. Grammar rules and examples. A question tag changes a statement into a question by adding a short clause at the end. These short questions usually contain two words such as wasn't he or don't we. They usually repeat the auxiliary or modal verb from the sentence. A question tag is made up of an auxiliary or modal verb and a pronoun that matches the subject of the main sentence. The tag is positive if the statement is negative, and negative if the statement is positive. For example, it is raining, isn't it? We aren't happy, are we? They don't matter, do they? Let's see the most common auxiliary and modal verbs used in forming question tags. The verb to be. Just remember, a positive statement is followed by a negative tag, and vice versa. He's very sick, isn't he? I'm not alone, am I? The verb to have. We haven't caught a bug, have we? They haven't got the one you want, have they? The verb to do. We look alike, don't we? I didn't eat your brother, did I? And modal verbs, which include can, could, must, should, would, and will. I should have stayed at uni, shouldn't I? You can't escape, can you? We must keep practicing, mustn't we? Some question tags don't follow the usual rules, so it's important to learn these special cases. With I am. Use aren't I? Not, am I not? I'm right, aren't I? For imperatives. Use will you, won't you, can you, or could you, depending on tone or politeness. Pass the salt, will you? Be quiet, won't you? Help me, could you? When using, let's use shall we after it. Let's go, shall we? Negative words like never, nobody, or nothing. These make the sentence negative, so the question tag is positive. Nobody called, did they? With used to. Use didn't. You used to live here, didn't you? With modal verbs. Repeat the same modal in the tag. You can drive, can't you? He shouldn't go, should he? With there is and there are. Use isn't there and aren't there. There's a shop nearby, isn't there? With indefinite pronouns. Use they in the tag. Someone called, didn't they? Everybody's ready, aren't they? For conditional or suggestion sentences. Use the same auxiliary in the tag to match the meaning. You'd like some tea, wouldn't you? Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more on question tags.